My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I have worked thousands of cases in my life. So I'm going to be short, quick, give you the information that you need. If you want to contact me, certainly do. Did you get a notice that IRS filed your tax returns for you and we were kind of shocked? Well, that's what IRS does. Matter of fact, at IRS, I used to do some of this and prepare returns. So you need to listen to me because I worked at IRS. So I'm telling you what all the truth is. And maybe give me a subscription and you'll learn more if you ever have an IRS problem or you know people that do. When IRS does not get tax returns, there's no person checking on you. You have to know that. No people do that. IRS's computers are set up to do everything, even with AI, everything. Even before AI, their computers know everything about you. If you have a social security number on the system, they match your social security number up with a 1040 tax return. They know that. If you get a 1099, a W-2, and the IRS sees there's no tax return that's attached to it, boom, the computer loves that and it sends out a notice. And at some point in time, IRS is going to prepare your tax returns. How do they prepare it is the question. They take the W-2s and the 1099s, they stick them together. They go ahead and say, this person, we're going to punish them for not filing. We're going to have them file single, which is the highest tax bracket possible, and boom, that's exactly what IRS does. So if IRS filed your tax return, can you undo the process of them filing your return? Yes. You can file your own original tax return. If you want us to do that for you and clear that matter up, call us. But don't get all, oh my God, this happened, what's going to happen? You have to attend to it. If you don't, IRS will make that assessment, which they've done, and 4 billing notices later, if you don't respond, they will send out a final notice, and then an LT11 or 1058, and then they're going to send wage garnishments, federal tax liens, maybe take your passport, so be real careful. Give me a subscription. Thank you so much.